Well, I guess we haven't done a real update in a while, but we got all the Subarus, and we didn't really let the cat out of the bag, but the plan is to take that motor and put it in that car, and we're gonna give that brat away. So it's gonna be EJ22 brat, and we got lots of fun plans for little blue there. But first, oh, what, this 7-year-old can of brake clean doesn't work? Oh, we broke one loose.
Hey!
Sure gonna use that.
Sure gonna use that.
Well, I guess since it's not sucking, I could start talking. We've been busy cleaning this place up and getting pieces to do this fun. We're gonna figure out if we won Car Parts Roulette here and get this dang thing apart and see if it's a piñata. I wonder if all that moving is a good sign or not. What's up? How you doing? Pretty good. I have to pull this thing apart. All right, let's see if I gambled right. Oh, it doesn't look blown up. Ha!